How to enable virtualization in HP laptop? As you can see in the task manager, virtualization is disabled. To enable virtualization, restart the laptop. Now press F10 continuously to access the BIOS. As you can see, I am in BIOS. Here you can see advanced, click it here. Here you can see system options, click it here. Here you can see virtualization technology VTX, check mark this and also check mark this. After that, press escape, then escape, and then click on save changes. Now restarting the laptop again. Now go to task manager again, search for task manager. Here you can see task manager, click on performance tab. Now you can see virtualization has enabled. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.